Thank you.
Very happy to be back again with you today. And this video will be so cool and so simple. I know sometimes, Elliott waves are maybe tough to understand, and Elliott waves are very technical, but today I'm going to show you a technical video that will be one of the most simple you ever watch, but it's also going to be the one that it will probably going to help you the most in your trading. Okay, here we know that Bitcoin, reach a resistance, and you don't buy under a resistance, you just, exit. And now bearish divergence told us that bears and bulls are leaving the market slowly, and we will retrace. No doubt about this. But why here? And you need to understand that yes, we have the 0.618 logarithmic fib that is a strong resistance, but it's not the only thing. In reality, the fibs are just providing us mathematics to figure out where are the resistance, but the real resistance is structural here, and it is the M pattern. You see this M here, okay? This is a hem pattern, and this is the neckline of the hem pattern, and this is the neckline zone of the M top. We call this a hem top. And look here, the N top, the M top neckline zone, okay, is resistance, and you need to understand that M pattern, investors on the neckline will meet. Investors, traders, market makers will meet on this neckline, and they will decide if this neckline will be support or resistance. They are the most important thing. Here, and sometimes I'm just trading with M and W patterns, and it is why I'm telling you this is very, very important. If you, in technicals, classical charting, if you click here and you come on the neckline, you will have a safe zone. This is your M top pole, okay? Let's bring it here on from the highest point of the hem pattern to the lowest point of the hem pattern, okay? And let's bring this right here on the wick, on the top of the wick right here, and you will see that Bitcoin was telling us that we were going there. Very, very important to understand. Also, the same here, W pattern. You see this W pattern. Where is the neckline of this W pattern? Right here. Okay, I'm going to erase that. And everyone meet on this neckline, and we decide if this neckline would be a support or a resistance. Okay, if we are going on the daily chart, you will see that this neckline was tested and confirmed by this daily close with a wick, and this confirmed the neckline as a support. But the first test failed, and they come back, and we confirmed that neckline. We turned that neckline, this neckline was resistance, but we turn it into support. We retest it, and we confirm this neckline as new support. Also, if we want to figure out the most probable target for this W pattern, they were telling us, you take the lowest point right here from the neckline, and you bring this right here, and you can figure out that this W pattern told us that a probable test of the M top neckline was going to happen. But the thing is that good traders are leaving before resistance. They wait for to buy when those resistance are confirmed as new support. This is an example in trading. Very important. You leave before that resistance, and I told that to my subscribers on the hold. I said, yesterday. I want to be, transparent. It's a good time to protect your liquidity because we are facing big resistance right now. And this is the case. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to crash. No, it's just mean that there is a resistance, and usually you don't buy under a resistance. You wait that this resistance is confirmed as new support, and you can participate to defend this neckline too if you are a bull and you have $100,000. I mean, if we turn this resistance as new support, you will have a continuation of Bitcoin. Yes, for sure, Bitcoin will face other resistance, but just want you to understand that. Also, if we are taking this pole right here from the top of the wick and the lowest point, you will see that Bitcoin can go in around 52K. This is the ultimate target of that pole here. And for sure, Bitcoin can create another W pattern here. And if it's the case, we're gonna follow that, because he will need to create another W pattern to go higher. W pattern are accumulation, are a bullish pattern, and with the neckline, but this neckline can be rejected for sure, and sometime it happen. Okay, this is a short video, but I just want you to understand that there is not always just idiot waves. I'm using different tools, and with my experience in trading, I'm able to read candles. I'm able to detect M pattern, W pattern, V shape. I'm able to read weekly candles with monthly close, detect tweezers, a spinning top. There is many things that you can use. And yes, for sure, short term here, the bulls are losing the momentum. But this is LT for me, that Bitcoin is retracing a little from there, and we don't know where it's gonna stop. But what you can do to figure out where Bitcoin, will find support, structural support, you will see that right here, that this support at 35K is very important on the 3-month. Let's figure out here. This is huge right here, huge support at exactly 28.9. On the 2-month, let's figure out, this is resistance, but now we want to find support. We want to find where Bitcoin can retreat in this retracement right here. This tweezer top here is very strong at 35.8. And on the weekly, let's figure out, we have this support that is right there. We also have this support that is right there. Support right here begins to be really nice. And why? Because this is the W neckline. Okay, M patterns and W patterns on higher time frame talk each other, and they decide where market is going. Also, one very important thing here, yes, for sure, just want to be sure that I didn't miss any support right here, because we have another one right there at 39. Also, we are having this important one at 45,135. This is good support. And one important thing, and this doesn't have anything to do with Elliott waves. If you want to know if you are inside a bear market or a bull market, this is the EMA 21 on the weekly that is deciding if we are inside a bull market or a bear market. Here, just want to be sure. Okay, I have it here, sorry. The EMA 21 on the weekly time frame is very important. Let me explain you why. Every time in the history and even on the stock market, if you see that, if the price is over the weekly EMA 21, you always have to favor the bulls and the continuation of a bull market. If the price is going under the weekly EMA 29, you need to be a little bit more afraid, because it is possible that we can enter inside the bear market. And how to achieve that and know that is that Bitcoin will come back here and test this EMA 21, the weekly EMA 21. And if this succeed, we will have a continuation of the bull market for Bitcoin. But it's also possible that Bitcoin will go grab the liquidity, make everyone panic. Oh, we are under the EMA 21, Mr. Mercy, bear market. And they come back to test the EMA 21. And I'm going to show you the EMA 21 will continue, for sure in time. And if we are coming back to test this as a resistance, and the EMA 21, the weekly EMA 21 is rejecting us, and we are creating a new neckline of a hem pattern, and this is confirmed, this is a bad sign. This would be a very bad sign. Very, very bad sign. And I think this is very easy for you to understand, and it is why this EMA 21 on the weekly is so important. And in your chart, I'm asking you to add this EMA 21 in your chart, or you can figure out where the EMA 21 is and place a line here and an alert on this EMA 21 on the weekly. I'm on the log scale right now, but you can create an alarm right here. And this would be probably a very, very nice place to buy, because you're gonna enter inside the W pattern neckline zone. Okay, and I'm gonna erase everything right here, and I just want to show you this was the M top zone right here. Okay, and this was the W neckline zone right there. And this is why now 41.3 is very important for Bitcoin. This is, if we can keep this EMA 21 enterprise over the EMA 21 and confirm this EMA 21 as a support, you can be sure that Bitcoin will continue its bull run on the cycle wave 5, and that this is over with this retracement of cycle wave 4. And I'm gonna be honest with you, yes, it is possible that this was just a fake out, but we confirm on the weekly close here. Look at the body over it. This is a big confirmation for me. It doesn't look like a fake out. And just want you to understand that this is crucial here, and that we're gonna follow that. But I'm sure this is one of the most easiest technical analysis you've seen. Use that in your chart, and I'm telling you, it's very, very easy to play, and you can do that on the weekly too, no problem, and no doubt about this. If we are going on the daily chart, you will see that we are having this M pattern. okay, and that the neckline is right here, and this neckline is at 44.4k. If we are Bitcoin is coming here and test this neckline, and they confirm this neckline as resistance, look where we can go. This will bring us to 40k, 40.6k. If even we want to go in a smaller time frame, let's go in a 2 hours. We are coming right now very close to test this neckline, okay, of this M pattern. If we go here, right there, you see, and the top to the neckline or the lowest point, this will be the max. A safe target is always the neckline. You come here and you figure out that Bitcoin with this M is targeting 43.380. It is very, very interesting. You can see all those M pattern right here. They're pretty clear, and those M pattern can turn out to be a W pattern. It is possible that Bitcoin will create a W pattern from here. This will be the neckline. Okay, now he's retracing, but he will come back, test this neckline, and confirm this as a support, and boom. All right. Cheers, guys. Have a wonderful day. I love you, everyone. Thanks for subscribing to my videos, and join us on the all. If you want to follow my charts live, and I'm posting videos every day, educational videos, and you will find many good stuff. Every subscriber seems to like the all, and the number of members just keep increasing. Cheers. Bye-bye. I love you. Ciao.